Irrigation Engineering. Important Topics. By Ali Azad Sir. Canal lining and its objectives. Classification of canal. Spillway and its types. Canal head regulators and its functions. Kennedy's and Lessie's silt theory. Advantages and disadvantages of canal lining. Canal lining is the process of reducing seepage loss of irrigation water by adding an impermeable layer to the edges of the trench. Seepage can result in losses of 30 to 50% of irrigation water from canals, so adding lining can make irrigation systems more efficient. Followings are the objectives of canal lining. To minimize the seepage losses through the bed and sides of canal, to reduce the scouring and erosion of the sides and bed due to high velocity of water during flood at the time of heavy rainfall, to increase the discharge in canal section by increasing velocity. Lining is done to avoid the growth of weeds along the bed and sides. Due to the canal lining, the command area increases. Based on discharge, the canal may be 5 types: 1 main canal, 2 branch canal, 3 major distributary canal, 4 minor distributary canal, 5 field canal. A spillway is a waterway used to dispose of excess flood water from a reservoir after it has been filled to capacity. Spillways are provided for all dams and serve as dam safety valves. Different types of spillways are as follows: straight drop spillway, OG spillway, shaft spillway, chute spillway, side channel spillway, siphon spillway, labyrinth spillway. A canal head regulator is a structure that is required to serve the following function. I. To regulate the discharge into the off-taking canal functions. 2. To control the entry of sediment into the canal. To admit water from the parent canal into the off-taking canal. To regulate the supplies into the canal. To indicate the discharge passed into the canal from design discharge formula and observed head of water on the crest. To control the silt entry into the canal. During heavy floods, it should be closed, otherwise high silt quantity will leave to the canal. The basic concept regarding silt transportation is the same in both. Kennedy assumes that the eddies are produced on the bed of canal only, but Lacey proposed that eddies are produced along complete wetted perimeter. Lacey states that as the shape of an irrigation canal is fixed to particular geometrical figure, it cannot achieve final regime conditions and hence may be said to achieve initial regime only. Kennedy assumes that when there is neither silting nor scouring, the channel is in its regime condition. Kennedy selects Cutter's formula for designing irrigation canal, but in Cutter's formula value of n is fixed. Kennedy simply states that it depends on the silt change and silt grade flowing in canal. But Lacey has introduced silt factor F. He related F to mean diameter of the bed material and given basis to calculate F. The formula is F equals 1.76 square root mr. Kennedy gives no idea for calculating longitudinal regime slope, but Lacey gives a regime slope formula. Design based on Kennedy's theory can only be achieved by making trials. Lacey gave important wetted regime perimeter equation. PW equals 4.825 Q1/2. Advantages of canal lining. Reduction of seepage. The major advantage of canal lining is to prevent loss of water through seepage. From the unlined canals can be 25 to 50% of the total water supplied. Prevention from waterlogging. Waterlogging is caused due to rise in the water table by the seepage losses from the canals. This problem of waterlogging can be prevented by canal lining. Increase in command area. By the process of canal lining ultimately increases the command area as the water carrying capacity of lined canal. Increase in channel capacity. The capacity of a channel can also be increased via canal lining. Compared to an unlined canal. Less maintenance. The maintenance cost of unlined canals is much higher than that of lined canals. Safety against floods. The bed and sides of lined canals can withstand flooding conditions while the unlined canals cannot. Disadvantages of canal lining. Initial investment is high in canal lining. Shifting of the outlet is high because it involves dismantling and relaying the lining. The construction period of the lined canal is longer. Skilled labor and sophisticated construction equipment are required of canal lining.